All right, Shalom Akim. All praise to Yahweh Bashmi Yahweh Shai by Hashem Rakakwadash. Double honor to the apostles and the elders of GMS. Peace and blessing to the elect. This is another edition of GMS Breaking News. And I just been watching a couple of news videos, breaking news videos. Just seeing, different things around the world. And I just want to share a couple of clips just to let everyone, see the wrath of the Lord is devastating these different countries around the world through different means. You got the cold and the snow down here in the southeastern U.S. You got volcanoes, you got storms and rain and everything around the world. So I'm just gonna play a couple of these clips, and the Most High Yahweh Shem Shah is making moves, man. Okay, the scripture says He executes His judgment every day. All right, this is just a couple of videos from my history, but I'm gonna play some of these clips, and hopefully everyone is edified. Let's see. Start with this one. I'll just start from the bottom to top.
Mount Mayon is still actively emitting lava, and the level 3 alert is still in place for the volcano. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council said in an update on January 17th that about 9,000 families in 36 different barangays in multiple cities are staying in evacuation centers. Authorities fear the volcano will result in a major pyroclastic eruption. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology shared it could happen, quote, within weeks or even days. As of this broadcast, lava is reported to have reached about 6.4 kilometers outside Mayon's crater. It is nation's most active volcano, about 340 kilometers southeast of Manila in the Albay province. It is one of 22 Philippine volcanoes that are part of the Ring of Fire, a string of volcanoes that ring the Pacific Ocean. Mayon's last fatal eruption was in 2013 when 5 climbers died. For United News International in Metro Manila, I am Crystal Yao.
All right, let's see. Okay, let's see what's going on with this storm here.
A deadly storm has killed at least 4 people in northern Europe. Storm Frederic ripped through the Netherlands and Germany on January 18th, with winds of up to 85 miles per hour. According to authorities, the deaths were caused by falling trees and debris. The storm caused havoc, uprooting trees, tearing off roofs, and bringing transportation to a halt. Hundreds of thousands of homes were also left without power. This footage from the Netherlands shows people being swept off their feet by the powerful winds. Industrial signs being ripped down, and a truck overturning on a major highway. This is the second major storm Europe has felt the wrath of this month. Storm Eleanor killed at least 3 people in early January, with winds of up to 100 miles per hour. The latest storm is expected to hit Poland by tonight. For United News International, I'm Rachel Latham.
This is a bus being overturned here in Kazakhstan. Killed over 52 people. So you can see the judgment of the Lord is being executed, man. All right, and it's not just like it's just 1 or 2 people. In certain cases, yeah, but in cases where there's a group or a number of people in the area, or or a car or a bus, you can see it was over 50 people killed. So this is the Lord, doing this thing in the earth. All right, judgment is happening, man. The scripture says that the Lord shall visit the earth. Isaiah 29:6. Through storm, earthquake, pestilence, and tempest. All right, and through the flame of devouring fire. You know, so this is all the works of Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai. All right, and I think I got one more clip I'm gonna play.
I'm asking people, please stay off the roads. Please stay off the roads. Number one, you help yourselves. Number two, you will be helping the first responders who will have to be responding to those calls. So do that.
Got the ice, got the cold, got the snow.
I don't even think last year it snowed hardly any at all. And then this year we've just had snow day after snow day.
Well, first, I was in my bed,
onto these roadways. But you know, from up north, it's the salt that really makes the difference. So we get a lot of people here, oh, this is just a little bit of snow. Georgia's going crazy. You know, it's unfortunate, but yeah, it's because of the salt trucks that make it a much easier drive. And you know, we're also more hilly out here. You know, we're not just it's not all flat land. You know, so with the hills, it also causes a lot of slip and sliding with the vehicles as well.
Snow day after snow day down here, man. All right, and it says that the storm's supposed to be moving northeast. So, you know, prepare to be inconvenienced, okay, by the weather. Alright, this is Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai executing his will. You see these people out here, you know, having fun and sledding and snowing. You know, the judgment of the Lord is going to come, man. It's going to be to a point where you can't, you know, there ain't going to be no fun times. There's going to be mourning in the streets. Alright? I'm going to end it there. Like I said, you know, just a couple of news clips of things going on around the world. You know, GMS breaking news. Give all praise to Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai. Double honor to the apostles. All praise to Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai by Shem Rakakwadash. Shalom.